Hello, in this video I'm going to find the value of the limit as theta approaches 0 of tangent of theta over theta. So in the previous video I solved the limit of sine of theta over theta as theta approaches 0. And in this video I'm going to bounce off of that knowledge and basically add more to it. So we're going to start with this limit. And we're going to use that in this problem. So in case you don't know why this is true, check back on my previous video. It's called Trig limit sine of x over x, I believe. Anyways, we're going to be using this as a prerequisite for this problem, okay? So in this video, I'm not going to be using too much of a geometric proof like I used to prove this trig limit, and I'm also not going to use too much of an algebraic one, even though it really only uses algebra. So I'm going to start by evaluating the limit of theta as theta goes towards 0 of tangent of theta over theta. Now notice how I can't plug in theta for 0 because then I get an undefined function because the denominator would be 0. So I'm going to expand out tangent. So I'm going to say it's equal to sine of theta over cosine of theta, big division over here, divided by theta. Okay? Now, we know that as cosine of theta, for cosine of theta, as theta approaches 0, you could just find out what that's equal to. As theta goes towards 0, cosine, which is the x value, gets closer and closer to 1. So now we can reevaluate this as sine of theta over 1 divided by theta. Now since it's sine theta over 1, you could just rewrite that as sine of theta over theta. And oh, look! That is that same limit over there. Oh, whoops, I should really be writing limit as theta approaches 0 on both of these. Some teachers might take off points for that. It's very important to write that. But now for this step, I don't need to write that because I'm not taking the limit, I'm just plugging in from that equation up there. So the answer is going to be 1. So now to recap, we have proved that the limit of theta as it approaches 0 of tangent of theta over theta is equal to 1. Bada bing, bada boom. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.